Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at this 1963 Aston Martin DB5 from Hot Wheels. This is part of the HW Screen Time series, number 3 of 10 from that series, and this is a movie car. And if you haven't guessed already, well, I'm going to let you in on a little hint. It's probably the most iconic car from this series of movies. This is from James Bond 007, and this is from the movie Skyfall, but also from earlier movies as well, when this car wasn't so classic. It was just a nice luxury car. The detail is great on this casting, and I think it is going to be a really nice addition to our collection. So without further ado, let's open it up. So here we have our Aston Martin DB5 out of its packaging, and we can see right on the side those giant chrome rims. Really cool. They really stand out on this car. The car is a silver gray metallic, nice vintage color, but the chrome rims really pop on it. It has a nice vintage British look to it. Also looking at the side, there's some little vents, chrome bumpers. Very nice, and a great line on this car. It's a really cool car in real life and even in Hot Wheels. If we turn around the front, we can see Hot Wheels has chosen to put a little bit of extra effort into this one. So they've got some detail on the headlights. They've got some painted marker lights, I think, maybe, and a nice chrome grille. Looks really great. Again, the passenger side, or actually this is a British car, so the driver's side looks pretty much the same. Looks really good. Can't really see inside, but there is a steering wheel on the right hand side, so this is a right hand side drive car. And if we look at the rear of the car, we can see the painted taillights, got some badging down there, and even a license plate painted on there. So a lot of detail on this car. It really looks great. And as far as movie cars go, we've seen some of the Fast and Furious ones, and we've seen the Back to the Future, DeLorean, but this James Bond one is a really nice, simple car. It doesn't scream out, I was in a movie. It just looks like a classic car. Well, thanks for watching our video, and if you liked it, make sure you leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. And make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.